Right now I have a spread of Trifecta meals that just came and some of my nutrition solutions right here. So I'm just gonna check them out and compare them. So the nutrition solutions, one thing I like about them is they have a lot of nice color and variety. This is a Trifecta braised chili beef with vegetables and brown rice. So what I will say, they sound delicious. A lot of the meals look a lot of the same to me. They have a really similar look. You know, there's meat and brown rice. Here we got chicken and brown rice. Con polo, some kind of chicken, can't pronounce it, with rice too. So a lot of the meals from Trifecta are looking a lot of the same. You know, just kind of a basic meat with rice, which there's nothing wrong with that. But I do like the variety of like this honey garlic wings with some Yukon potatoes and tricolor carrots. You know, they have the Nutrition Solutions has a variety of proteins and vegetables and carbs that I normally don't eat, and that's good for me. Not just to eat new things, but to get a variety of vitamins and minerals and nutrients. And one thing I don't see with the Trifecta are the breakfast options, like the Nutrition Solutions Red Velvet Cake that came this week, and the Banana Granola Crunch. So these are money for me. I have busy mornings, I'm sure you guys do too, so just to be able to warm these up and eat them, sometimes I share them with my kids. And of course, what's missing from the Trifecta is the Clean Sheets donuts. Y'all know I'm a donut freak. This was a big factor of me going with Nutrition Solutions because they had the healthier protein donuts, and they've actually been so delicious that I haven't craved the regular fatty sugary donuts for months now. I normally would go to a donut store every week, get some donuts. You know, that's part of my life balance. I'm all about balance. But since having these from Nutrition Solutions are so delicious, I haven't had to do that. So now that we kind of just looked at things, I want to check out the macros. So we're going to find something comparable here. Peach habanero steak tips from Nutrition Solutions. And let's do this. Here's a Trifecta braised chili beef and vegetables and brown rice. The Trifecta fat content is 16 grams. And my fat content in remember there's twice as much protein in the Nutrition Solutions. My fat content is 16 grams. So we're talking the same amount of fat, but I have twice as much protein here. And I kind of seen that across the board, that my Nutrition Solutions is giving me quite a bit more protein, sometimes double, and the fat contents are about the same, if not lower, for Nutrition Solutions. So these meals, to me, it's not just the macros, the protein, the carbs, and the fats is important, but also the ingredients. I exercise and eat to be healthy foremost. There's one thing I noticed about the Trifecta. Now, this is not true on all the meals that I'm looking at today, but I did notice it on this chicken and rice meal, that when I look back at the label, but on this one, this particular chicken one here, there's also malic acid, caramel color, potassium, meta, blah, 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 blah. I can't even pronounce it. Just some names that I can't pronounce. So that's never a good thing. And it was just on this one particular meal. I didn't see similar ingredients in the other meals. But when I look at every one of my Nutrition Solutions, it's always a very short list. Certified Angus beef tips, beet infused rice, organic broccoli, kale slaw, peaches. There's never added colors or preservatives to Nutrition Solutions, and I've seen that across the board in the last couple months. Same here with the rotini meatballs. Now we're gonna warm some of these up. Now I can't eat all these meals, but we're gonna warm up about 5 Trifecta meals, and I'm gonna try a few bites of each one to see how it compares to my Nutrition Solutions, which I've already been eating for 2 months. I have 3 Trifecta meals warmed up and ready to go. One of my Nutrition Solutions, I've been eating those for 2 months, so we don't need to do more than the one. So here we go, we're gonna try them out, and I'm gonna give you my absolute honest opinion. On the Trifecta, we're gonna try, it says braised chili beef with vegetables and brown rice. I'll say that the beef had a good flavor, good texture. The rice was kinda bland. You know, it is just rice though, but there wasn't a lot of flavoring on the rice. But the beef tasted good. I'm gonna try the chicken here with Trifecta. It's pretty good. Really don't have any complaints. The chicken was not dry, had a good taste to it. I'm gonna try one more Trifecta meal. Honey Dijon steak with vegetables. It looks like some more brown rice. So there's a lot of rice in their meals, not a lot of variety when it comes to the carbs. So the steak looks good, let's try it. So I will say off the first taste, this didn't have a lot of flavor to it. Good thing is it wasn't dry, so it had a good, cooked well, but it didn't have a lot of flavor. The brown rice, again, just super bland. But I'm gonna try another bite. I wanna give everything a fair shot. I had a good texture. You know, if I was gonna eat this for lunch right now, I'd need to put a bunch of salt on it to give it some more flavor, especially salt and pepper on the brown rice. And now I'm gonna try my Nutrition Solutions meal here. Clear the palate first. This is the Peach Habanero Steak Tips. It has certified Angus beef fillet tips. They use only grass-fed beef. It says beet infused rice. I do like, again, how everything looks with the purple rice and the green vegetables, and then the steak that has a little bit of peaches on it. Very good, nice and tender, like all their steak and chicken has been so far the last 2 months. Has a great flavoring. The habanero, peach habanero is an interesting flavor. It's good. It's definitely not plain like the Trifecta. It has kind of a unique flavor to it, which I like. It is tender, juicy. I'm gonna try another bite with some more of the beet infused rice. This is amazing, it tastes great. I will say even the rice, beet infused, has a nice natural flavor to it. 10 times the flavor of the rices, of the brown rice. Now that Spanish rice in this chicken Trifecta meal was pretty darn good, but this beet infused rice has a great flavor too. So just comparing the two steaks side by side, my Nutrition Solutions definitely has a nice, that peach habanero gives it a nice little kick, nice flavor. So we tried them. My honest opinion is, first of all, when it comes to the presentation and the look, I do believe that Nutrition Solutions, the packaging, the color of the meals, and just how everything is kind of separated and not all mixed up is a lot better than the Trifecta. When we look at the ingredients, I noticed overall that my Nutrition Solutions had higher protein and either the same amount of fat or lower. You know, so we have bigger protein portions. I am in a muscle building phase, so that's what I wanted. But the fat, while the portions are bigger in protein, the fat is the same or lower. Also, I didn't see in my Nutrition Solutions any kind of preservatives or weird chemicals when it comes to taste, which is probably one of the most important things when it comes to selecting a meal prep company. And remember, I've had Nutrition Solutions for the last 2 months, so I've had a variety of the meals, just like I ate a variety today of Trifecta. But overall, the taste with Nutrition Solutions, I would say in general across the board, tastes a lot better than what I've had here. So I believe I made a right choice. I'm very happy with Nutrition Solutions, with the deliveries, with the presentation, with how the meals taste, the results I'm getting, and their customer service is second to none. They have certified nutritionists on staff that will help me and help you order the correct foods for your fitness goals. So I'm happy with where I am. I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna stick with Nutrition Solutions, and I hope you check them out too at nutritionsolutions.com. Let them know your boy Michael Wittig sent you.